Hello there, this is Ola from south of Sweden again. I made some modifications to my Izzy Swan sawmill replica thing. If you remember last time it was all wooden and I had a crappy saw. Now I have a new saw. This is a steel saw, MS391, and I also made the saw holder out of metal, and it's with a thread bar with larger threads, so I don't have to keep on winding forever to get the saw up and down. I'm a crappy welder, so you don't have to mention that, but it's stuck. It stays where it's supposed to stay. So it works pretty good, and it's a little bit better. The precision is much more better when it comes to finding the right dimensions of the logs, and it's so much firmer. Everything is a little bit easier. Now it's still not easy, but it's easier. If you remember, I had the small wheels, bearing wheels underneath this sledge, going directly to the wood, and yeah, after a couple of runs it dug into the wood. So now I've reinforced it with some steel rails instead, and it works good. So I'm just finishing up a couple of rounds of it works. I also had a problem with the dogs holding the log, because I was afraid that I was gonna put the chainsaw to it. So I made it out of wood, and this is just round wood, 1 inch round wood, and with some holes every other inch. So now I can saw into them as much as I want, because that's so cheap to buy or make. Yeah. If there are any questions, please comment. Bye for now.